Houston, our sewers are aging. Aging and outdated cast iron manhole covers create SSO, or sanitary sewer overflow, flooding our roads with toxic, raw, untreated sewage. This can cause contamination to our water supply, threaten public health, cause property damage, and cost Houston taxpayers millions. Out of the 127,000 aging manhole covers in the greater Houston area, 80%, or approximately 100,000 of these covers, are failing. And when they fail, Houston loses big. Not only does this cause costly and catastrophic flooding events, but every SSO event costs the taxpayers anywhere between $2,400 to $5,000 in fines against the city. Those fines are paid by you, the taxpayer. Let's do the math. One 24-hour rain event can produce 65,000 gallons of rain. 65,000 gallons of water multiplied by 100,000 failing manhole covers. We get 6.48 million gallons of potential SSO leaks from one rainy day. Houston, we have a problem, but we also have the solution. SuperCover is a non-metallic, fiber-reinforced composite manhole cover designed and distributed right here in Texas. SuperCover are securely bolted and offer a cost-efficient and long-lasting solution to drastically cut down on SSO events by eliminating water going in and stopping raw sewage from gushing out. Let's put an end to needless sanitary sewer overflow. Help us keep Houston clean, safe, and operational. To learn more about SuperCover, visit supercover.com.